In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make smart financial decisions. Making smart financial decisions is important for everyone, regardless of their income or financial situation. Here are a few tips to help you make smart financial decisions. Set financial goals. What do you want to achieve financially? Do you want to save for a down payment on a house? Pay off debt? Retire early? Once you know what you want to achieve, you can start to make a plan to reach your goals. Create a budget. A budget is a plan for how you're going to spend your money. It can help you track your spending and make sure that you're not overspending in any one area. There are many different budgeting methods out there, so find one that works for you and stick to it. Live below your means. This is one of the most important tips for making smart financial decisions. If you live below your means, you'll have more money to save and invest. There are many ways to live below your means, such as cooking at home, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, and finding ways to make extra money. Invest your money. Investing your money is a great way to grow your wealth over time. There are many different ways to invest, so do some research and find an investment strategy that's right for you. Protect your assets. It's important to protect your assets, such as your home and car, from financial loss. There are many different ways to protect your assets, such as getting insurance and setting up a will. Making smart financial decisions takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the long run. By following these tips, you can improve your financial situation and reach your financial goals. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to make smart financial decisions. Thanks for watching.